What does A's Jumpstart service include? If you have ever found yourself stranded with a dead battery, you might be curious about what services can help you get back on the road. One option that stands out is the American Automobile Association's Jump Start service. So, what exactly does this service include? Let's break it down. When you call for a jump start, the first thing that happens is a technician will arrive to test your car battery. This is important because it helps determine if a jump start will work or if you might need a new battery instead. If the battery test shows that a jump start can get your vehicle running, the technician will jump start your car right there on the spot. This means you can continue your journey without a long wait. But what if your battery is beyond saving? No worries. AAA offers mobile battery replacement as part of their service. If your battery is failing, they can deliver and install a new battery right where you are. This service also includes the disposal and recycling of your old battery, making it an eco-friendly choice. Plus, AAA provides high-quality batteries that come with a 3-year warranty and a discount for members, making it both convenient and cost-effective. In addition to jump starting and battery replacement, AAA technicians can also check your vehicle's charging system. This ensures that there are no other electrical issues affecting your battery's performance. If a jump start or battery replacement does not solve the problem, AAA will tow your vehicle to a nearby gas station, an AAA-approved auto repair center, or your preferred mechanic. This towing service is available if your vehicle cannot be started after the technician has attempted a jump start. From an auto insurance perspective, A's Jump Start service adds significant value. It provides quick roadside assistance that can help prevent long delays or further damage to your vehicle. This service is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and applies to any vehicle you are driving. In summary, A's Jump Start service includes battery testing, jump starting, on-site battery replacement, and towing if necessary. This service is designed to get you back on the road quickly and safely, making it a reliable option for drivers in need.